my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. So I have some good news. I got back my desktop and it is here. I'm happy. I'm really happy. I look kind of shabby, scruffy. But yes, I got back my desktop. The camera seemed to be working. It started working again. I think it was having battery issues, so it started working again about 3 weeks ago. So I got by the desktop Thursday, so it is here. Let me show you guys. So that's my little setup right there for now. There you go. So that's my little setup, and that's the little Chromebook that I was using. It can't use to edit. I'm watching football right now, so that's it. And I do set up this wonderful table as well, so I can give you information on that. So you can actually buy table, office table for $65. It's very, very reasonable and it's very sturdy and strong. So that will be getting good review.